shout out to Israel Adesanya. He has it tatted on his chest. Broken natives, you know what I mean? Like we're not of the country, but we are of the country. You know what I mean? That's like we take a little bit from each culture.
That man has been ripping the Polynesians. We got to do justice for that, man. The people, the culture needs to let. Izzy is Samoan. Izzy is Tongan. Izzy is.
He's Maori. He's all of that, bro. He's in the culture, man. But it's like what we said earlier, though. He's a product of his environment.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Shout out to them Kiwis who accepted Izzy as one of their own, because man, he rapping hard for us, man. He did his face off, man. He had his EA on and everything, bro. Yeah. He had the little top on thing on. I'm like, bro, go ahead, Otis.
Shout out to Izzy.
Warrior of love. You got to be warrior of love.